I know you. I think I know you. I think I maybe know you, but I don't know where from.
בואו, תגידו כמה דברים על המשטרה, תוך כדי שאנחנו יודעים. אבא, כשמישהו משתף לי פעולה.
נושא לאיזה הגשה
בדוק.
באיזה וידאו מצלם.
בדוק, אני סמוי, נו. You understand why the party closed because of police?
Because of police. Because policemen.
מה אתם חושבים על זה שהמסיבה נסגרה על ידי המשטרה? Can you tell me what you think about that the party was closed because of the police?
The party goes on still.
Why did the police close the party?
Because they have a job to do.
They have a job to do and donuts to eat. They have a job to do and donuts to eat.
And the police is here.
The party still goes on. Also, I'm making the wrong documentary, you know. I'm supposed to make the documentary about the party, but I think the police because okay. They love donuts. I don't understand why the party closed because of police. I don't understand.
Fuck the police, is the problem.
Fuck the
police.
Why party closed because of police? Why? Why is vodka being poured by the cocktail? Why? You know why is not understandable. Why the party is shut down by ignorant police officers that have been failing to do their duty for all these years that they've been serving humanity. Why? Why, I ask you? Why did the party close because of police? Anyone has any idea why the party closed because of police?
Party not closed. Party not closed.
Party not closed?
Party is on.
Party is on. Party is on. Party is still on. Party is still on. Why everyone go?
בגלל המשטרה. בגלל המשטרה.
המסיבה נסגרה בגלל המשטרה?
לא, למה אנשים הולכים?
למה אנשים הולכים? Why did the party close because of police? Why? Why?
The party doesn't close. Why people go?
The party don't close. Why people go? מה אתם אומרים על זה שהמשטרה סגרה את המסיבה הזאת?
על הפנים.
על הפנים, מה את אומרת?
יש לך פרח יפה.
פרח יפה. אני אומר, תפסיקו להשתמט, יא חרות. Why? I don't know. Why? 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 You drum. You drum because it's the only way for freedom, you know? Freedom. Why do people go outside? Because of police?
What can we do?
What did police do? What did police do?
Motherfucker police!
Why do people say motherfucker police? Why? What did police do? Excuse me, what did police... Why are you going out? What is police do to you to make...
זה כי בא לי להשתכר ואני לא יכולה לגייס את הכרטיס אשראי שלי.
אוקיי, no לגייס את הכרטיס אשראי, אוקיי. זה הבעיה שלכם שאתם משתמטים! אתם מניאקים, אתם לא תורמים למדינה!
צלם אותנו בורחים ככה.
אין, הם בורחים, הם לא תורמים למדינה!
Why? Because they closed the music, they shut down.
They shut down the music. Yes. Why did the police shut down the music in this place?
You can ask them, there is there.
I asked them. I asked, it's invasion. You know why the party closed because of police? It's because the invasion. They tell me there is invasion to the house. Invasion is like penetration.
Penetration.
You know, like penetration because of police, they close the party because of penetration to the house.
Penetration.
Yeah, they penetrate to the house is not good because police. Yes.
Penetration. penetration, 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 penetration.
Penetration is because of police. You know, the house is closed because of police. Why? Why? That's what I ask. Why? Because of police. Yes, that's why I say. Why is the party closed by police? You know, is invasion to the house? What is it? What is it? Is it invasion to the house? Is it penetration to the house?
Penetration, penetration.
What is this that make police close party? Why do police close the party? Because there is like, why do the party is closed because of police? You know, it no make sense. מה אתה אומר על זה שהמשטרה סגרה את המסיבה? מה אתה אומר?
כל הכבוד לצה"ל, כל הכבוד לשוטרים. תהיו רגועים. כמו שצריך. כל המתפרעים פה.
תתגייסו, תתגייסו למשטרה.
שמים קלים מחיר כבד, לכו למשטרה. כל הכבוד לצה"ל. לכו תעשו צבא, תפסיקו להשתמט.
יאללה, כסתם מכירים, משתמטים המזדיינים האלה. זה המשטרה.
תנו לאכול שרימפסים, תנו לאכול כל מיני דברים, בשר וחלב.
בשר וחלב!
כן.
כן.
בשר וחלב.